Yeah, welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make customer search management in a Visual Basic. So it's a desktop application project. So here we want to collect all the customer details and we can search as and when necessary, and also we can create events, and for the particular events we can search the customers whom you want to call and all you have to manage. So we can give a different title for this. So customer data collections, customer directory, like we can give a different title for this, but let us understand what we can do in this particular project. So in a large companies we have a lot of customers, so we should know customers, right? So we should know our customers. So now to make this, again this project start with some flash screen, then login form, then MDI form. So from there you can go there and you can enter the customer details. So you can also divide the customer into customer type, what type of customer it is. Then we can search the customer based on their mobile number, because we want to collect their mobile number to send the details. So we can search customers based on name, so based on type, like that. And we can create a events. So company will arrange some events. So for that events we can call the people. Okay, so we can call the customers. When you're calling the customers who are relevant to this particular event, you want to call them. So like that. Okay, so based on that we can have a reports here. So in a report, here two things are important. One is a customer, there is a customer list. The other one is a event, and then this is the event list. So it's a small project, and here basically we concentrating more on the customer, the mobile numbers, email ID, and their details. And then we can also create events, and for a particular events, whenever you want a particular set of customers, we can search for them, and that way this particular project will help for the companies. So this project we can develop in VB.NET or C# or Java or Android. So what do you get from this video? So you learn some language skills. So here we'll demonstrate the project to you. Then you should know like how to use the VB.NET, and then how do you can build the applications. And also we suggest you watch some more videos in VB.NET. Therefore you can learn more, because in each project we'll explain you some other concept. Therefore we can't make everything in a single project, because single project to show you the complete thing, how to write and all, so it take long time. So therefore we made a different videos. So for example, you want to make a login page, there is a different video. You want to make MDI form, there is a different video. Please watch that. So learn the language. Then the domain skill. So domain is like, how the company works, how company manage their customers, how company can run the events. All this we need to understand here. And work experience. So definitely, if you do the project your own, you will gain the experience. That experience definitely count to get the job. So next, this is a desktop application, and the front end is VB.NET, back end is SQL Server, and we are using Visual Basic.NET to write the complete code. And we're going to create all the tables and database in a Microsoft SQL Server. So now let us look at the project demo. So here I open this in a Visual Studio 2019. So we give the title as telephone directory. So therefore you can give different title for this project, because this basically concentrates to collect the customer details and then search the customer as and when is required. So we can split the customer into state wise, district wise, based on the type. All is possible here. So here is the flash screen, then is a login form, right? Then you can have MDI parent. So here is the MDI parent, and so here we are using some background here. Okay, let me take this background out. So I want to change this picture. So in order to remove this picture, you have to go to background image and then delete. So the image will go. Let me apply some color here. So custom color, we put light green. Okay. So these are customer details. So you want to change the background color. So here you can go to back color and we can change the color easily. Done. So let us run the project. Let's see that how the whole things works. So here is a welcome screen. You need to put some title over here. Right. So here is admin, then admin to login. Okay. Okay. So click OK to login here. So it logs in. Now we are in MDI parent. So here is the menu. So in the menu we have all these options. So we can enter the state names. So here one state is already entered. So we can enter the state names. Let's say Kerala state. Save. So your customer from the different states of your country, you have to write down all the state names there. So next is the district. In each state, what are the districts will come? That you need to write. So you want to enter one more, Karnataka. So let's say Mangalore. So some customer from the Mangalore. Next one is qualifications. Okay, if necessary, we can enter this. So otherwise, we can skip this because you want to search based on their qualifications. That is also possible. Then customer type. So this is company customers, individual customers, and let's say potential customers. So potential customers are the one they'll buy a lot. Okay. So we can divide the customers based on the requirement. So here is a customer detail entry. So we need to enter more and more data here. Let's start with new customer code. I'll enter one company name here, ABC.com, and this address we can take. Okay, so this is some dummy data I'll enter here. So this is the phone number, and here is the mobile number. So email ID. So this is abc@gmail.com. Right. So then qualifications. You can enter the qualifications. Customer type is a potential customer. State name is Karnataka and district name is Bangalore. So here it's important. Okay, what are the entries are done? It should come automatically over here. Then click save. Okay, so email ID is not correct. So that is we checking for the validation. So that need to be rectified. Okay, so now it's entered. The next is the search data. Here you can search based on the state. So you can see that all the people from this state can become over there. So you want only Bangalore people. So all are from Bangalore only. Let's say Mangalore. So there are nobody from the Bangalore. So Bangalore in that customer type. So we want potential customers. So you can see that only one customer. So like that, this search option is very important. So therefore company can search the people and then they can list it out and they can transfer to other file. Otherwise you can take the address printout, or you can automatically send the mail, or automatically send the SMS. All it's possible. That has to be enhanced. Okay. Then search based on name. Let's say ABC company. So you can see that it can be searched, and you can search based on mobile number too. So this is 901. Okay, so all will come. So this matches is only 90, so that one will come. So let's say 1234. So no, nothing matches to 0222. So therefore it's working fine. So I'll show the code of this, like how to write this code. Next is the event detail. You can write down the events, like what are the events connected by the company, that we can write down here, and we can save this information here. So for that particular event, we can search the customers and then we can send the information to them. So it is a complete customer list and it is the event list. What are the events we created? So I'll just show you like how we can do the search. So first thing is you need to check out your database. So I'll just connect to the database now, browse. So this database is located in the debug folder. So here is the database, and if you expand this, if you expand tables, we can see all the tables over here. And here is the customer definition. So these are the columns are there in this particular table. Fine. So these are the columns. So next is the data. So right click and show table data. So here is the data. So state name, district name, customer type, mobile number, all is there here. So now how do we write the code? So here I'll go search. So now these three fields are there. So this is a combo box 1, combo box 2, combo box 3. When I click search, so first we need to check whether you selected the combo box 1 or not. So then there is a SQL variable. So then you say state name is equal to combo box 1. Then you have to check whether Kumba box 2 is selected or not. If it's selected, then you have to add that SQL var to district name and the Kumba box 2. So this is SQL var what is already selected, with that you need to add. So next Kumba box 3. So here if it's selected, then we need to add previous what are the values with that customer type. So like that you need to make a SQL statement. So this is what very important. So once the statement is ready, we need to check whether it's not is equal to empty. Then we need to add the where condition to that, where this is the conditions, and then here is the correct. Sorry, this is the final thing to collect the data from the table and then transfer to the data grid view. So this is the SQL complete SQL statement now. So this is how we can search the data. And here is the code to transfer the data to the Kumba box. So what data is already there, so that we want to transfer for that. So this is a search form. Okay, so here we need to transfer all the state names. For that, this code will do the job. So state names, and here loop here. So from the loop we are transferring all the data to the Kumba box 1. So say my customer type that we want to transfer to Kumba box 3, that is all will be transferred to Kumba box 3. So here is the second one. So based on the name, so when you click search, so here you have to use like options. Okay, this is a SQL like with a percentage symbol. So percentage is used any letter matches. Okay, so like percentage means any letter afterwards, any letter previously, this letter should match. So we have separate videos for SQL. Please watch that videos to understand these queries, how to make a query statement. And then finally we'll call this SQL statement. We'll fetch the data and then we'll transfer to this data grid view and it will show in the data grid view. So this code is important. So based on phone number also we'll do the same thing. This is how you need to write the code. So we have separate videos for everything. So please watch that videos. So go to Highblix tutorials. So please subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe. So if you have subscription, definitely help us to improve the quality of our videos and the quantum. So even we can bring more videos. And also if you want to looking something, so you can write what you want looking in the comment box. So let me know. From that we'll try to add up that things in the future videos. And then click videos here. So all the new videos what we will upload, everything will be visible over here. So you can browse. So we have 100 plus VB.NET projects, same 100 plus ASP.NET projects. Huge number of projects are available over here. So whenever you're free, click browse and watch the videos and then learn and then practice. Okay. So here is the video how to create MDI form, how to create a child form, and here is a video how to make a login form. Here is a video how to work with SQL Server. So therefore, please use this and then keep practice every day and learn the coding. Okay. Wish you all the best. Thank you.